Hello, good afternoon everybody. I am Sri Pradeep Kumar Dev, HOD Electrical, Bose Katak. Today I will teach you on 6th semester electrical paper, that is your switchgear and protective device. I will teach you on first chapter, that is your introduction to switchgear. I will teach you the first chapter, that is 1.1, introduction to switchgear. So first I will tell you what is switchgear and protective device. It is a very big word. The entire system, power system engineering is coming under switchgear and protective device. Let me tell you what is switchgear and protective device. The apparatus used for switching, controlling and protection of electrical circuit, that is protection of power system, is known as switchgear and protective device. Write down. So you write down the apparatus used for switching, controlling and protection of electrical circuit is known as switchgear and protective device. So you see, two broad words coming. One is your switchgear, another is your protective device. So what is the definition? The apparatus used for switching, controlling and protection. So this is a very vast word: switching, controlling, protection. So what are the apparatus used? I will tell you. Write down. Number one, switch. It is very popular word, switch. Everybody must have seen in your house. In your house domestic supply, you are controlling fan, tube light, heater, geyser, TV by the help of the switch. This is the switch. From the switch it is coming switching, then coming fuse, circuit breaker, CB, that is your circuit breaker. Number 4, instrument transformer, lightning arrestor, so you see, thing is now very clear. I am now discussing what are the apparatus used in switchgear and protective device. तमे जानी परचो ना? Already several times in different semester we have discussed about switch, your circuit breaker, your relay, your transformer, everything we have discussed in detail during your GTD paper. So now I am discussing what are the apparatus or what are the equipments we are using in switchgear and protective device. So you will write down it. First is switch, fuse, circuit breaker, instrument transformer, lightning arrestor. Then very important thing is your relay. Relay. Then you write down your isolator. You write down battery. Battery is used in your battery room, that is near to the control room. So these are the things we are using for switchgear and protective device. So before going to the switchgear and protective device in detail, first I will tell you what is switch. So switch is used for switching and interrupting device. It is a switch, we are doing switching and we are doing interrupting. What is the meaning of switching? Switching means circuit on. तमे घर को पसी गलो लाइट टा ऑन करूचो, दिस इज स्विचिंग. व्हाट इज इंटरप्टिंग? घर बाहरी गलो, तमे पदा को बाहरी गलो, फैन टा ऑफ करिवो, लाइट टा ऑफ करिवो, टीवी टा ऑफ करिवो, that is known as the switch off or interrupting. So very common word in electrical circuit, and that is particularly in switchgear and protective device, switching and interrupting. So write down switching and interrupting. Switching and interrupting. This is, you can call this is on, and this is, you call this is up. Very common word, on off. Circuit की थोड़े on करिवो, circuit की थोड़े off करिवो. That is known as switching and interrupting. In switchgear word, in electrical engineering switchgear, there are different terms are there. We are not calling switch on, switch off, we are calling switching and interrupting. Then you come to the fuse. I am giving you the introduction to switchgear and protective device. Then you write down, next word is your, write down fuse.